Have you ever stopped to think about how your favorite animated films, shows, or even YouTube animations are made? Animation is a magical blend of creativity, technology, and storytelling, and it's far more complex than it may seem on the surface. Everything begins with an idea, an outline of a world, a character, or a story that needs to be told. This idea is shaped into a script where the dialogue and actions are planned. Then comes the storyboard, which is like a comic book version of the entire film. It helps directors visualize each scene, camera movement, and emotional beat before anything is animated. Concept artists create the look and feel of characters, environments, and color schemes. In 2D animation, every movement is drawn frame by frame, requiring immense precision and timing. In 3D animation, characters are digitally sculpted, rigged with virtual bones and joints, and then animated using motion paths and keyframes. Some studios even use motion capture, where real actors wear suits to record body movements that are transferred onto animated characters. While this happens, voice actors record their lines, bringing the characters to life with emotion and personality. Animators then match facial expressions and lip sync to the dialogue. Every blink, gesture, and movement is carefully planned to make the animation feel believable. After that, lighting is added to set the mood, and visual effects like fire, water, smoke, or magic are layered in. Once animation is finished, it must be rendered, meaning each frame is processed and turned into a high-quality image. A single second of animation may contain 24 individual frames, and a full movie could require over 100,000 frames, each needing hours of rendering. Then it's time for sound design, adding background music, ambient noise, sound effects, and making sure everything feels natural and immersive. The final stage is editing, where all the pieces, visuals, audio, music, effects, are brought together into one polished story. The entire process can take months or even years, depending on the complexity and length of the project. And there are many different animation styles: traditional hand-drawn, cut-out animation, stop motion using physical models, 3D computer animation, or even modern hybrid techniques that combine several of these. Behind every animated moment, there's a team of writers, designers, animators, voice actors, sound engineers, and editors, working together with passion and precision. Animation is not just about making things move, it's about making people feel something, whether it's laughter, wonder, or emotion. That's why animation isn't just for kids. It's a powerful art form that captures imagination and brings stories to life in ways nothing else can.